Okay, now we go to the park. And at the end of the park is the Brandenburg Gate. There's a bike for rent right there. See, there's the tour, the walking tour right there.
I want Paris to burn. Okay? Now, when he made this order, the generals were already on the Allies.
Oh shit! No, I want to go that way. I want to be in the center.
At the time, it's made of carbon fiberglass. Basically, when you burn it, it makes a very
How are you enjoying the walking tour so far?
Very nice. Full of
How
wonderful sights.
how do you like Berlin so far?
Love
In
it.
your first day of touring.
Love it. Beautiful.
Oh look! It's like a monument of historical figures. And again, it's made of glass. They love glass. Oh, look, they have the Berlin's gourmet bratwurst. And it looks like it's five euros. It's like a memorial to the Sinti and Roma of Europe murdered under National Socialism. And here is the Brandenburg Gate. It's coming up. Okay, here's the Brandenburg Gate. And it looks like they're setting up something, or like an event or something. So it's kind of blocking part of the Brandenburg Gate. I guess we can take pictures like on the other side of the gate. Oh shit. There's the gate. And then you can see the tower. Look, even that one has glass. See, look, the temporary structure, it's made of glass. And here we're going up to the gate. Wow. Look at this. They're so thick. There's so many people. And I'm gonna turn the camera. 1, 2, 3. And there I am in front of the Brandenburg Gate. Hey, there's the Brandenburg Gate. And then to the left side, that's the United States Embassy right there of Germany. And then there's the Academy der Kunst. And there's Tommy. Hey, that looks like French, that building right there.
How much? €5. I don't want it, I give you special price.
I don't know. Oh, look like they're doing the scooters. That looks really nice. That hotel Adlon. Yeah, they could be walking like with a Brandenburg Gate.
Construir aquí una ciudad nueva con el nombre de hermanos. Así que
What is this? Oh, it's a subway. They have a lot of these things with like the park bench and the trees. Look, they have the currywurst. Look, Dunkin' Donuts. Wait, I want to check out the currywurst. Oh, look, there's a Berlin thing. I love Berlin bear. What bear is that? It's the original Capitol bear. Look, they have the curry wolf. Oh, I want to take the bear. And there's the bear. And this is the curry bear. Okay, here's the menu for the currywurst and cold drinks. And look, you can get Dom Perignon meal for 220 euros, or just I guess a sparkling wine for 30 euros. Okay, now that we're done with the Brandenburg Gate, which is right there, now we're going to Checkpoint Charlie. Oh, look at all these stores. There's the British Embassy. There's so many embassies here. Oh, look at that building right there. It looks cool. Look, it's 1907. Oh, and there's us in the reflection. Look, they have all-you-can-eat cocktail bar for 25 bucks or 25 euros. Oh, do you want to go this way or that way?
This way's fine.
This way? Okay.
Or can you road?
Looks nice. Look, now Tommy's got his hat and his sunglasses. So it looks like a tourist now. Look, snacks and coffees. Look, they have Asian cuisine. Maybe we should walk on the sidewalk. Oh, it's vegan. Deutschkirch. Huh? What? Yes, let's see.
Okay.
It's kind of dark. Can't even see us. But yeah, we're walking. So originally it was going to be just a 20-minute walk. And we've been walking since like 12 o'clock. Oh, look, they have a gate kebab. Kebab. I want to have kebab. Can we have that for dinner? Oh, look at that. It looks really nice, the building. Look at that. Wow. Look. It looks so nice. Shit. Oh, look, they have a look at the bridge. Look at the ice cream. That's a big ass ice cream. Now we get some sun so we can actually see. Look at that building. It looks nice. Look at the Tesla taxi.
Yakuza.
It's a It's a Tesla taxi. It's a Tesla taxi. Can you say Tesla taxi? It's a Tesla taxi. Look, there's Icarus. Look, it's China in Berlin. And the finest Asian cuisine. It's VT, it's Vietnamese Taiwan. No, just making it up. Oh, there's another building right there. It's nice. But it looks kind of old. Because it's not all glass. Oh look, there's a Mall of Berlin. Look, there's a statue. It's Morenstraat. Okay, we're gonna cross. Oh, and there's the bus. And there's Tommy. So there's the Mall of Berlin. Can we go in just real quick? Okay, we're going to the Mall of Berlin. Mall of Berlin. Look, they have a Tesla. Look at that. That's a tall ass escalator. There's Tesla. So that you can use it for a taxi. Oh, look at that. Look at the old Tesla. It's like a cyber 4x4 Tesla. And there's a Tesla robot. Oh, look at the slide. They have like an all stainless steel slide. Wow. Oh, look, it goes all the way up there. There's Polo. And look at this. Do you want to sit and relax? Mall of Berlin. Do you want to guess? Look, there's the slide. That's really scary.